Amwe ya ng'ethanĩri ya President William Ruto ni makoretwo makimukirira makiuga arahuthira mubango wa nyumba cia raithi kwiguna kiuteti mbere ya githurano kinene kia mwaka wa 2027. Ruto akiuga mĩario yao ironania kwaga ũmenyo, agikinyiriria gutire ona nyumba imwe iraheanwo bure, indi muingi kana thirikari ni mararugamirira marihi maya kuona mubango uyu uri rungu rwa kĩgĩna.
And let me set the record straight. I know there are some who, because of ignorance, believe that we are dishing out affordable houses. There is no affordable house that is going to be given to anybody without being paid for. When we say that we are going to make affordable house available to anybody, including our athletes here, it means the government of Kenya is going to pay, because affordable housing is under a fund that must strictly adhere to the rules that govern affordable housing in the nation.
Akiaria ari thingiraini wa iregi giikaru-ini na ateng'eri aria marahotanire Kenya nguga itiganite mucini wa Tokyo, Japan. Ruto nieranire o ta uria atugire timu ya Harambee Stars hindi ya bitika cia CHAN ona ateng'eri aya ni mekwamukira nyumba. Ruto akiuga thirikari niyo ikurugamirira gicunji kia 50 kia marihi maya.
You also asked me to consider the matter of affordable housing for medalists as extended to Harambee Stars after the CHAN. I want to confirm again that just like we did for the CHAN Harambee Stars sportsmen and women, the 7 medalists will also benefit the way the others did.
Ruto na ugeti ateng'eri aria mategukorwo no hoti wa kuriha gicunji kia 50 ni mekwamukira ngombo o ta uria thirikari ikoretwo igika hokani ya Kenya aria angi.
So you choose the house, we pay for you half, you pay the other half. And if you don't have money to pay the other half, and I know you do, we are going to extend, like we are going to do for all other Kenyans, a soft loan that will enable you to pay between about 5,000 shillings every month for a house that you will end up owning. And because we have already paid half, you will be paying probably about 2,500 or thereabout.
Riria Ruto eriga gutungana na arutani thingiraini wa iregi nyenereire meguthukirwo gicunji kia 20 kia nyumba mubango-ini wa nyumba cia raithi kuona marutaga gicunji kia 13 kia igoti ria nyumba cia raithi iria ciatukanirio ni ciringi milioni 900 o mweri. No na gukiri uguo ndereti igie kwihanda kwa mubango uyu na kana igoti riria Akenya maratinio mubango-ini uyu rironekana te kuhuirira na ihenya ari mubango gicunji kinene kia Akenya mathiete na mbere gutetia. President no erire athaki a Harambee Stars nyumba cia raithi thutha wao gukinya gikiro-ini gia quarter final bitika-ini cia CHAN. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Mubi wa Chege.